Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing some amazing indoor plants that can make your home feel cool, fresh and full of life during the hot season. As the weather gets warmer, keeping the right plants indoors not only beautifies your space but also helps improve air quality and creates a calm, relaxing environment. These plants are easy to care for, perfect for beginners and great for any room in your home. If you want a greener, cooler and more peaceful home this summer, this video is for you. Let's explore the best indoor plants you should keep at home right now. Today's first plant is jade plant. Jade plant is one of the best indoor plants for warm weather because it is extremely hardy and low maintenance. It has thick glossy green leaves that reflect light and make any room look fresh and elegant. This plant is famous for surviving in low light, bright indirect light and even in air-conditioned rooms, which makes it perfect for homes and offices. The jade plant stores water in its thick rhizomes under the soil, so it doesn't need frequent watering. Usually once every 2 to 3 weeks is enough and overwatering should be avoided. It also helps improve indoor air quality and adds a calm, natural feel to your space. Because it grows slowly and stays neat, it fits beautifully on tables, shelves or corners of a room. Overall, the jade plant is ideal for beginners or busy people who want a stylish, strong and easy care indoor plants that stays healthy even in hot seasons. Today's next plant is golden Hahnii. It's a beautiful and compact indoor plant that is perfect for keeping your home fresh and lively during hot weather. It's a dwarf variety of the snake plant, known for its short, rosette-shaped leaves with bright golden yellow edges and deep green centers. This plant is extremely easy to care for and can grow well in low light, medium light, or bright indirect sunlight, making it ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, or office desks. The golden Hahnii stores water in its thick leaves, so it needs very little watering, usually when the soil is completely dry. Overwatering should be avoided to keep the roots healthy. It's also known for helping improve indoor air quality and creating a calm modern look in any space. Because of its small size and strong nature, the golden Hahnii is perfect for beginners or anyone who wants a stylish, low-maintenance indoor plant that stays healthy even in warm temperatures. Next plant is Alternanthera. It's a colorful and eye-catching indoor plant that adds instant beauty and freshness to any room. It's well known for its vibrant leaves, which can come in shades of deep red, purple, pink or green, making it perfect for brightening up your home during the hot season. This plant grows best in bright, indirect sunlight, which helps maintain its rich leaf color, but it can also adapt to moderate indoor light. Alternanthera prefers slightly moist soil, so regular but moderate watering is important. Avoid letting the soil stay too wet for long. With proper care, it grows into a bushy, decorative plant that looks great on tables, balconies, or near windows. Besides its beauty, it creates a fresh, lively atmosphere indoors and is a great choice for plant lovers who want a colorful, easy to manage plant for warm weather. Next popular plant is the Biryani Leaf plant, also known as the Pandan plant. Is a highly valued aromatic plant that is popular in many Asian homes for both cooking and decorations. Its botanical name is Pandanus amaryllifolius, and it is famous for its long, narrow, bright green leaves that release a sweet, pleasant fragrance. These leaves are widely used to add flavor and aroma to dishes like biryani, rice, desserts, and traditional drinks. The pandan plant grows best in warm temperatures and bright indirect sunlight, making it suitable for indoor placement near a sunny window or balcony. It prefers consistently moist soil, so regular watering is important, but waterlogging should be avoided to protect the roots. This plant grows in a compact, bushy form and can be easily maintained with basic care, making it a great choice for beginners. Besides its culinary uses, the pandan plants also adds a fresh, tropical look and natural fragrance to indoor spaces, creating a calm and refreshing environment in the home. The next plant is the parlour plant. It's a graceful and elegant indoor plant that is perfect for creating a cool, refreshing atmosphere inside your home during warm weather. It's loved for its soft, feathery green leaves that grows in a gentle arcing shape. This plant thrives in low to medium indirect light, which makes it ideal for living rooms, bedrooms, and office spaces where direct sunlight is limited. The parlour plant prefers slightly moist soil, so it should be watered when the top layer of soil feels dry, but overwatering should be avoided to keep the roots healthy. It's a slow growing plant that stays compact and neat, making it easy to maintain even for beginners. Besides its decorative beauty, it helps create a calm natural indoor environment and adds a touch of tropical freshness to any space. Overall, the Parlour Palm is a low maintenance, stylish, and beginner friendly indoor plant that stays healthy and attractive throughout the hot season. Next one is the Foxtail Fern is a unique and attractive indoor plant that adds a soft, fresh look to any home during warm weather. Its botanical name is Asparagus densiflorus, and it is known for its fluffy tail-like green fronds that grows upright and look like a foxtail. This plant prefers bright, indirect sunlight but can also adapt to moderate indoor light, making it suitable for living rooms, balconies, or near windows. The foxtail fern likes slightly moist soil, so regular but moderate watering is important. Allow the top layer of soil to dry a little before watering again. It's a hardy and low maintenance plant that grows neatly in pots and does not require much special care, which makes it great for beginners. Besides its decorative beauty, it creates a calm, natural atmosphere indoors and brings a touch of greenery that feels cool and refreshing in hot seasons. Overall, the foxtail fern is a stylish, easy-care indoor plant that enhances both the beauty and comfort of your home. Next plant is the Marjoram plant. It's a fragrant and useful indoor herb that adds both fragrance and flavor to your home. Its small, soft green leaves that release a sweet, mild aroma. Marjoram is widely used in cooking to enhance the taste of soups, meat dishes, vegetables, and sauces, making it a practical plant to grow indoors. It grows best in bright, indirect sunlight and prefers a warm, airy environment, so placing it near a sunny window is ideal. The plant needs light but regular watering. Allow the top layer of soil to dry slightly before watering again to keep the roots healthy. With proper care, Marjoram grows into a compact, bushy herb that looks attractive in small pots on kitchen counters or balconies. Besides its culinary value, it brings a fresh, natural fragrance indoors and is a great choice for anyone who wants an easy care, multi-purpose plant that thrives well in warm weather. So friends, thank you for watching. These beautiful indoor plants can keep your home cool, fresh and full of life during the hot season. Try them in your space and enjoy a greener, healthier home. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.